Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Okay, and in this video we're just going to be having a strategy walkthrough that traders are buzzing about. All right, and that's going to be the Mxwll Price Action Suite trading strategy. All right, so kind of Maxwell, right? The Mxwll Price Action Suite. Right? Mxwll Price Action Suite trading strategy. Okay, so you can see that this is indeed a suit, right? You can see how it has a lot of information, valuable information that will assist with trading, right? That will assist you with trading. Now, if you are looking for structured, no nonsense price action trading, this suit delivers it all. Okay, so what is the Mxwll Price Action Suite? The Mxwll Price Action Suite is more than a strategy, it's a trading framework. As you can see valuable information presented by this indicator. All right, valuable information. Okay, so basically this framework is built around core price action principles. It combines market structure, supply and demand, and liquidity manipulation to create clean, objective trade setups. It removes the noise by focusing on what matters. Break of structure, change of character, internal liquidity, valid zones of interest, and all of that. Every element works together to help you see what the market is really doing and where it is likely to go next. Now, let us talk about the building blocks, shall we? Okay, first of all, break of structure or BOS. Break of structure or BOS and change of character or CHOCH show you when the trend is shifting. So this keeps you trading with the current momentum instead of against it. All right. Then you have your supply and demand zones as well. Right. You have your supply and demand zones. Right. They identify the origin of strong moves. These zones help you mark areas where price is likely to react again. Okay, next we use mitigation blocks. These are areas where the market revisits to close imbalances or unfilled orders. All right. So these often act as precise entry points. And finally, we also have to consider liquidity sweeps. Right. The Mxwll Suite teaches you to anticipate stop hunts before major moves, allowing you to trade with, not against, smart money flow. So indicator tries to enable you to trade with the smart money flow and not against it. Okay, so as you can see, this is a really useful indicator, a really useful and valuable indicator. All right, now chart markup is clean and minimal. You start with a higher time frame to identify major BOS or CHOCH, right? So once you have identified major BOS or CHOCH, you mark your key demand, demand or supply zone based on recent impulsive moves. You can see the indicator marks the area of interest, right? You can see area of interest where price is expected to react. All right. Now you drop to the lower time frame for entry confirmation. You wait for price to enter your zone. For example, you can see now on the 15-minute chart, you can see price have entered this zone. This is an area of interest. You can see price has actually entered this zone. All right. Then price should also show signs of rejection. There should be a sign of rejection and ideally create a new BOS in your favor. So in this case, if we are looking for a buy entry, considering the fact that the overall trend is bullish, right? Considering the fact that the overall trend is bullish. So if we're actually looking for a buy entry in line with the overall trend, right? In line with the overall trend, going back to the lower time frame, if we are actually going to have this buy move that seems to be building up, we should be looking out for the formation of, a break of structure to the upside. Perhaps price is going to form a new high, a higher high, maybe a higher low, and then break that newly formed higher high, okay, showing that a bullish structure has started forming. So we'll be looking out for such a price reaction. If you get that, it could be a confirmation for a buy trade. All right, so that's when you strike. Smart entries, logical stop placement, and a defined invalidation point. So it's not just about jumping in early. All right, it's about stacking confirmation. The Mxwll Suite is not about chasing setups. It is about waiting for the market to show its hand and responding with precision. Okay, so this strategy trains discipline. You are not reacting to noise. All right, you are executing a system. Once you understand the flow, you will see your trading slow down but become more accurate. So you can use it on pairs like the Euro USD, GBP, JPY, and even NAS 100. Yes, you can also use it on the NAS 100. So whatever has volatility and structure, you can use this indicator on such an asset. All right. And let's not forget that this indicator also gives you valuable information concerning the current session, the current session's close, the next session opens, shows you how many hours is left and all of that. And then the 4-hour volume, 24-hour volume. So very valuable information given by this indicator. That is the breakdown of the Mxwll Price Action Suite trading strategy, a clean, high-level system designed for serious traders. If you're ready to add structure and clarity to your trades, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more detailed breakdowns, chart walkthroughs, and advanced strategies just like this. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.